Changing your Apple ID country or region to a Japan allows you to access the Japanese App Store and other localized services. And here is how you can do it. First of all you have to do is open the App Store on your mobile device. Inside App Store, simply tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then tap on your name at the top. Then here scroll down and tap on country/region option available there. Once you do so, you will be navigated to change country/region option on your screen. It will take some few seconds. Now, after it loads, simply tap on the change option available there. Now scroll down from the list of the countries and look for the Japan and tap on it. Simply tap on the Japan. And once done so, you'll be navigated to the section of terms and conditions. Here, all you have to do is tap on the agree option available at the top right corner. Once you tap on the agree, you'll be navigated to the payment section. If you do not have any payment method, then you can simply tap on the none option available there. And now you'll have to enter your personal information in the blank space there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.